Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install apps on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Enter the name of the app that you want to install and tap the search button. When the app you are looking for appears in the search results, tap on it to open its details page. Tap the Get button. Here you have two options to start the installation. You can either double-click your power button to use your Face ID or manually enter your Apple ID passcode. Choose your preferred method and start the installation. And this is how you can install apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.